Take clay and roll it into a ball. Then, use the rolling pin to flatten it out. Roll both sides. Move the clay in different directions so you can get a nice smooth surface. Rub out all cracks. You may need to dip your finger in water and go over some of the cracking. The clay needs to be about the thickness of a cookie. Stamp the clay, punch out the clay, and smooth rough edges. Go around the corners and make sure things are soft and smooth. Once you have done that, get a texture rubbing plate and rub the plate on top of the clay. It should leave an imprint on the clay. Flip over the clay. Smooth out any roughness on the back with water. It needs to look smooth and flat. Once you have done that, you are ready to write a nice message inside the clay. If you have a star, you could write, "You are a star." You can also write, "We love you." If you don't like that, you can always erase it by adding more water on your finger and just smoothing out what you've just etched. Poke a hole at the top and set it out to dry on the wooden plank in the back. Roll your clay into a ball, flatten it out, thickness of a cookie. Stamp it with a cookie cutter. Flatten and smooth out all cracks or rough edges. Place a texture on top, flip it over, and write a nice message. Teaching is a work of art. And if you can think of a different message, feel free. Again, if you don't like the way you've written that, smooth it out with water. You can write over it like you were a star. Some other messages will be on the board that you can add on the back.